Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Java JDK 25. So go to the browser and type here Java JDK 25. And here you can see latest version is 25. So just click here Java download and go here for the Windows. Click here option Windows and then select the MSI installer. Okay, just go with this one. And here you can see it is not downloading, so we have to wait for some time. Okay guys, here you can see we have download this. Now go for the installation, double click on it, just click here next, select yes. So guys, here you can see it's downloaded development kit 25. So just click here close and we got this. Now we have to set the environment variable. So you have to type here end and just right click on it or open it. Okay, just open it and go for the environment variable. So here you can see, then path and click here edit. And now here you can see we have no Java here, right? So we have to set the path. So let's go. So to set environment variable, we have to actually go for the installation drive, in this case C drive. Here you can see, so go there and go for the program files here, and then you will find Java. Here you can see, so double click on it, go for the JDK 25, then bin. And now you have to actually copy this path only. So just copy the path, okay, and go for the environment. So type here env and hit enter. It will open environment variable. Just click here environment variable and then select path under system variables and click here edit. Then click here new to add it, paste it. Now say okay, and okay. Now if I go for the CMD and say here Java -- version, here you can see we got the Java latest version and that is 25. So guys, that's it. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.